In this session, we will see how to insert levels at an unequal distance and how to insert and delete levels. I will open the south elevation. There are two levels in the structural template, 3000 mm apart. Let us change this distance to 4500 mm. It is always advisable to change this distance before adding the new levels. To insert more levels, click on the Level tool. We are going to insert 5 levels. Select Non-Uniform Distance. In the table add the values 4250, 4000, 4000, 4000 and 4000 mm. Click on the OK button to insert the levels in the project. Open the plan view. Open the Level Manager and click the Delete button. As we can't delete the level in the plan view, we see this message. Close this message box. Same happens with the Add button. So, to use Add and Delete levels we must use an elevation or the sectional view. In the East view, let us once again open the Level Manager. Click the Delete button, click on the level line to delete it. Click Insert button in the Level Manager box. Click the cursor on the level. Name the level as Level 7 and distance 4000 mm. Click OK to insert the level. Note that the negative distance puts the level below the selected level line.